सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल गुरुजी चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं गौरव आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं अपने चैनल के एक और बहुत ही नए फ्रेश कमाल एपिसोड में। और मेरे साथ में है बॉस, मिस्टर हुज द बॉस, सीधा इंडिया में। वीडियो दोस्तों बहुत ही कमाल होने वाला है, जहां पे हम आपसे बात करने वाले हैं Oppo Reno 3 Pro के बारे में। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं इस वीडियो में।
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
You remembered that.
I got it.
Sir, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome to the Technical Guruji's official collab video.
I can't believe it.
long awaited.
Long awaited.
आप सभी लोग दोस्तों बहुत टाइम से the time when we met in at CES in January.
Yeah.
People were expecting something.
Yeah.
There was no time for that. But
Yeah.
now it's time and अरुण जो है दोस्तों फिलहाल अभी दिल्ली में है, इंडिया में है, मेरे होटल रूम में है। अरुण, why India?
I'm here for the Oppo Reno 3 Pro launch.
Okay.
I actually got here midnight yesterday. And बहुत मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया. I was just about to ask about your experience.
No, it's been amazing. Like
Uh-huh.
the Indian hospitality is unreal.
Of course.
And the warmth, and people here have come up to me and they've said, "You're my hero. You're my idol." And it's just, it's.
Didn't they say you are my boss?
I haven't had that one yet.
Okay, so you came in all the way from UK to India for just one phone.
Mhm.
Is it so important? Like,
It's a big launch.
Uh-huh.
It's a big launch. I think it's quite a disruptive phone in the mid-range segment.
okay. And talking about smartphones, let's say, what all features or what all things are important for you in terms of a phone?
For me, number one is battery.
Okay.
I hate having a phone where I have to worry about battery. And then it's probably camera.
Not gaming.
No, I'm actually not a massive gamer.
But
I'm actually pretty boring with my phone. I
Uh-huh.
use Instagram, I use
WhatsApp.
Facebook, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge gamer. I play Call of Duty Mobile and that's about it.
But of course, the phone has to have kind of a good performance as well, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So talking about Reno 3 Pro, दोस्तों यहाँ पे इस phone में कुछ interesting features and I think as you said, camera is a big thing for you.
Mhm.
What all features are in this phone in terms of kind of a good camera experience?
Yeah, so the things I really liked were the night mode focused.
Uh-huh.
So the phone's got a tripod mode when you go into night mode. So I was resting this just against like a stone, and you can get phenomenal. It turns night into day, literally. And I remember thinking it reminded me of the Huawei P30 Pro last year.
Uh-huh.
Nearly $1,000
Yeah,
flagship
yeah,
phone.
yeah, yeah.
It's that good.
And how long is the exposure in that? In 30, 40, 50
30
seconds? Something?
seconds,
Yeah.
And
Quite long, yeah.
It's long, and you watch it slowly turn night into day, bit by
And,
bit.
adding all those light trails or whatever.
Yeah.
Also about the selfie, if I were to tell you, दोस्तों आपको मालूम है इसमें है I think 44 megapixels dual selfie camera.
Yeah.
It is the
Yeah.
world's first.
World's
I
first.
think it was you who posted the world's first
Yeah.
photo on,
Yeah.
on Twitter. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that was-
how's about that experience?
It's cool, and again, actually, I'd say my favorite part of it is night selfie,
Okay.
because that's quite a rare feature. A lot
Yeah.
of manufacturers, they focus on the rear camera and they kind of.
Do you have some examples of those?
I do.
If you clicked any.
Yeah. So.
Because you're in India, so photography is it has to be there.
Yeah. So here's one I took earlier, and it's not super dark.
Yeah.
But this gives you a really good example of what the night mode is doing. So you can see there's a little bit of overexposure in the background, and my face is quite soft.
This is without the night mode.
This is without the night mode. And then you scroll to the night mode, and all of a sudden it pops.
And it looks sharp.
It's so sharp. My
Yeah.
beard is sharp. The lights are completely controlled.
Yeah.
So that was
And
for
it's
me.
all handheld without a tripod.
It's all
of course.
handheld. Yeah, of course.
Okay, so if you were to summarize this Reno 3 Pro, what all are the features that are baked in this device coming in at this price range, which kind of excite you?
It's a camera-centric phone. I think the camera is its strength. 64 megapixel photos. 108 megapixel photos using sub-pixel interpolation.
Ultra HD mode.
Ultra HD mode. Yeah. And yeah, I quite like the way it looks. It's obviously it's thin, it's light, it's plastic materials.
By the way, world's first phone to come with the Helio P95 processor.
Yes, that too. Yeah.
And the world's first with 44 dual selfie camera. And to come with the 30-watt VOOC flash charge phone.
Yeah. And the battery's been amazing for me. I've been using the phone for a month and a half, and I was saying this on stage, it hasn't actually died on me once.
So now just try to adding in some of the features in Hindi.
Okay. मुझे कैमरा बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Okay. दोस्तों, this was a quick fun collab. Of course, you would be seeing much more such videos in time to come. And for all you, we have this brand new Reno 3 Pro. आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको ये collab कैसा लगा. I think it was fun, you know, without any cuts.
Yeah, I'm going to apologize for my Hindi now.
If you were to do that, you need to do that in Hindi as well.
I don't.
Leave it, it's okay. We understand. Anyways, दोस्तों, फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही है. अभी मैं अपना सेगमेंट जो है वो थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बात करूंगा, जहां पे मैं आपको फोटोज वगैरह कुछ और दिखाऊंगा, लेकिन ये फोन आपको मिलने वाला है. आप सिंपल सा है पार्टिसिपेट करना, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करते हुए नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए, और जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है वहां पे जाके पार्टिसिपेट कर लीजिए. अरुण का अभी टाइम खत्म होने वाला है, तो अरुण, you have a flight right now, I think. Yeah?
I have a flight.
So just go catch a flight and come back to India quite soon. Okay. In the same room, oh come on. So in the same room, the same setup, we'll have kind of a similar video in sometime in future. Yeah.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Thank you.
दोस्तों, अरुण की यूके फ्लाइट के बाद में मैं भी फ्लाइट लेके आ गया हूँ दुबई. तो यहाँ पर दोस्तों कुछ ऐसा था ये वीडियो जहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से आपको जरूर पसंद आया होगा. इसी Oppo Reno 3 Pro के बारे में हमने दोस्तों बात की इसी वीडियो में. आगे आपको ऐसी ही और बहुत कमाल वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. जहाँ पे जाने से पहले एक बार वापस आपको बता दूं कि ये है आपके लिए एक ब्रांड न्यू फोन जो आप जीत सकते हैं गिव अवे कॉन्टेस्ट के चलते. पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए दोस्तों बड़ा ही आसान है, आप जानते हैं क्या होता है प्रोसेस. तो बस कमेंट कीजिए, बताइए आपके मन की बात कि आप क्या सोचते हैं. और अरुण ने जो बोला बहुत अच्छा लगा इंडिया के, वो आपको कितना अच्छा लगा था दोस्तों. बस फिलहाल में इतना ही. देखने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपका कोई सलाह सुझाव हो तो आप नीचे कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. अगर आपने वीडियो को लाइक या शेयर नहीं किया है तो लाइक भी कर दीजिए, शेयर भी कर दीजिए, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ही मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए रोजाना ऐसी वीडियोस लेके आता रहता हूँ. तो फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.